In the heart of Mindanao, Philippines, where innovation meets excellence, lies Volga Oil, the leading name in oil manufacturing and fluid solutions. With state-of-the-art technology and a commitment to quality, Volga Oil delivers the complete solution for fluid motion. At Volga Oil, we have a team of highly skilled engineers and technicians who work tirelessly to ensure that our products meet the highest industry standards. Our advanced manufacturing processes, coupled with rigorous quality control measures, guarantee the consistent performance and reliability of every drop of oil that leaves our facility. From lubricants that keep machinery running smoothly to hydraulic fluids that power heavy equipment and specialty oils that protect and preserve, Volga Oil offers a comprehensive range of products for various industries. But it's not just about the products. It's about the trust and confidence that Volga Oil instills in its customers. Our commitment to exceptional customer service sets us apart from the rest. Volga Oil, the complete solution for fluid motion. We are dedicated to powering progress, driving success, and fueling the future. Choose Volga Oil, the complete solution for fluid motion.